These are the historical outbuildings that would serve purpose in a coal camp located at the Beckley Exhibition Mine in Beckley, West Virginia. Lovingly restored is how these transplanted buildings were described, where you may walk through a company owned rental house, a bachelor's one room shanty, a coal camp church, a school, and the superintendent's home, which had rooms staged as a doctor's office, camp barber, shoe shine, and a mailroom. Included in the cost of admission to the Beckley Exhibition Mine, these walkthrough exhibits are interesting to see what the miners had to rent through the company store. See the link below for the town's pages on the company coal house, the miner's shanty, the church, the school, and the superintendent's home, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.